Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start a beefsteak tomato from seed in order to put it outside. So here we go, we've got some beefsteak tomatoes. Here we go, look at the back of the package. This is all the information you need to know. When to put it outside, how many days to germinate, 15 to 20. Depth, 1/4 inch. Seed spacing, 1/2 inch. Row spacing, 3 feet apart. Days to harvest, 55 to 60. So follow this. They've got great instructions, tried, tested, and proven to work. So there we go. Now the next thing we need to do is get it ready. So for the purposes of this video, I'm only going to plant one seed. However, you will want to plant probably the whole packet. So we're going to put some dirt or some soil, whichever you prefer to call it, into a cup and pack it down a little bit. Then the seed goes right into the center of the cup. So here we're going to grab a seed. Got to be very careful not to dump them on the floor. Oop. Okay, we only want one. There went one already. Okay, there we go. I got one. And you only want to put one inside this cup because look at seed spacing, 1/2 inch. This cup is not bigger than 2 inches or 1 inch, so we wouldn't want to put one on the edge and one on the edge because if you do, they become overcrowded. So I'm going to drop it right in the center, and I'm going to show you what I mean with the little overcrowdedness. All right, so right here, I've got some tomatoes. Accidentally, there are 3 separate plants in there. They're going to be overcrowded. You can see this guy here is already kind of starting to die. Now these were planted, hang on, a little over a month ago. I had to check the date on the bottom, a little over a month ago. What I have started doing is separating them into a bigger cup. So now that guy's on his own and he can hopefully start to grow a little better. So that's important. Keep them spaced. 1 per cup. As you can see here, we've got the one seed right in the middle, that little white speck. And what is our depth to sow? It is 1/4 inch. So we're going to take and put some more soil over the top of this seed to be about 1/4 inch. There we go. And then we need to do a few more things. Some water. Seeds need water in order to germinate. They also need to be warm. So we're going to put some saran wrap over the top to give it a little incubation. And the days to germinate on here is 15 to 20. So that means within 15 to 20 days, we want to start seeing that thing sprout. When it starts to hit the top of the plastic wrap, we can remove the plastic wrap and allow it to grow in an open cup to harden up. So it's important to write the date on the bottom of the cup. Also, you probably want to write what you planted because cups are all going to look alike for a while, and then as soon as they sprout, they're all going to look alike as well until they start to grow and produce, and then you won't know where you've planted what. So right on the bottom, follow the instructions on the back of the packet. I really hope this video has helped you out, that you are now able to plant your own seeds indoors and bring them outdoors and grow a garden. If so, please consider liking and sharing this video. Also, I hope you subscribe to the channel to follow along to future videos.